You know what? The insulting Samara Varick Boston in the last two international about basketball player Luka Doncic steam bottle to our live teams and an NBA player, to the postery about the video. This is translated. You know what? Kayo naman kasi nakikinabang ng live na to. Hindi naman ako nakikinabang ng live na yan. Kayo ang yumayaman, kayang kumikita ng pera, and well, what happened to my country in the Philippines is never to me. Like Philippine and China Sea and American is never stopped the show about the war in Pacific Sea because deserving sila na makuha nila yung kayamanan na yan kahit mamatay sila at maputulan sila ng kaluluwa or anything about something you have because hindi pwedeng mag-stop kayo dito kasi may spirit of the world about never stop. Dahil ako hindi din ako nag-i-stop sa online. Hanggat kaya ko, di pag namatay na tayo, di wala na. Stop na ang lahat na to. Revelation is not mistake. It's our time. The other to information the world about your personal opinion and democracy, illegal, state or whatever the celebrity. You know what? Kasi ito yung Celtic na to, Team Celtic, whatever basketball player international, masyadong madadrama. Hoy, para sabihin ko sa'yo, World NBA player. Isa lang ang team ko sa Mob Mavericks by Luka Doncic. Hindi naman ako nagbabago ng team eh. Feeling nyo lang yon. Me as all me to our NBA player. I am not. I'm giving your personal opinion and giving to the power and ending to illustrate personal video and upload to my YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook, etc. I don't know, so ashamed because all is very limited. Pantay-pantay naman ang magkakaroon ng life na yan eh. Kasi, pag masyadong, I wanna talk about his Mavericks because Luka Doncic is over the, anything for a story or problem. Bakit naman si Luka Doncic ang sinisisi nyo? Di itigil nyo yung show ng NBA player sa Olympic, whatever Olympic tradition is always. Halos nga every year nagsushow kayo, araw-araw. You know what? Hindi nga kayo na nabubusog sa kayamanan ng mga salapi na or ticket to other people and anything always yun stupid tapos maglilikra mo pa kayo yan. Don't stop. I never stop until the end. Dahil pag nag-stop kayo, matutuloy ang end time and World War III. You're never hard work, you are corrupt to me and believe online. I'm going to all life. Hindi ko na ma-achieve yung life ko na yan sa first time because this is my country na Philippines happen. Patanda ako, hindi ako pabata. Kaya hindi ko na ma-achieve yung life person na yan. And this is where the bully to going to, bully others, people, the pride world is going to finish. Dito lang yan sa mundo na to. Just other, for anything, always abandon your helplessness power over to me as killing and bad information. Well, ako masakit ang magsalita dahil yun ang totoo. At bakit ko kayo iintindihin? Honest Frederick's information about online for my savings, for my data in my wifi is my opinion. Sarili kong pera ang ginagamit ko. Walang libre dito. At wala akong na-achieve sa yung libre. Kahit piso, kahit sa lapi in my personal bank. Oh dear Philippines people, government in America and China, all over the world. I enjoy to miss online music, show whatever you want, just want rather about you want and heal. Going. Gusto nyo, pakamatay na lang kayo para matigil na lang ang aking, for this online. You're understanding? Kung masyado kayo malikramo, magsilayas kayo dito sa planeta na ito. I'm going die ng you. Earth is your not open place of boundaries to me. It's going not well. Fucking kill you. So, Wow. I love playing game to me is online show online. But the first is typical problem skill with depth. Dahil yun talaga mangyayari sa parang maglalabanan tayo. Hanggat you're anything to do bad this energy in the world. How about this Monday Pacific to world? This is my counter in the Philippines. Is always bullshit. These people describe to me our politics and ultimate stupidness. I'm never not happy. I can't. Sorry, ang pagsisisi ay nasa huli. Walasak na. Both in your final to road about your personal self in going to hell. About yours not survive. Kaya ikaw Luka Doncic, NPE player, superstar as Levina o Mara Barrex. Huwag ka magpapapikto sa mga Amerika na yan, mga player or whatever. You know, for Austin Reeves today is very problem. Because HUD, I am. Slukay, HUD, I am. All HUD is I am. What the fucking shit. Wala na kayo na ipapalamon sa akin. Maglilikra mo ba kayo dito sa earth na to? Versus abundant. Parang kayo yata sumusuko ng kayamanan na walang katapusan. Kasi, ang isang bagay na gusto nyo maangkin na hindi nyo naman makukuha habang buhay for anything to fight the world. This is the world about impersonate. Mga alikabok lang yan. Kaya ang katawan nyo, you like that someday. For anything about love and personal about women and something over to me rather or for something our meal to me is love is moving the world international foreign in Asia. Isa pa yung mga babae na yan eh. Saksakan na ng pupok at dumi and stuff your over the sabali the word is abortion. This is the world's Wolverine and time. Baka nakakalimutan nyo, tigil yung panganganak nyo yung mga pukpok kahit salot kayo dito sa lipunan. Kayo ang gumagawa ng revolution. Revolution is not my power. Is you have acts and words to display the word to show. Get it? I get it. Follow to my YouTube channel, Tobias Murray and Sajir for human being. Thank you, bitch.